Moles to mass and mass to moles. Molar mass is our conversion factor. That information is right off the periodic table. Part A, silicon dioxide, is the chemical formula is SiO2. Let's go to 4 sig figs and we can round down to 3 because all these numbers given have 3 sig figs. 28.09. Let's add that to 32.00 because there's 2 oxygens. So that's going to give us 60.09 grams per mole as the molar mass for silicon dioxide. Not going to circle that because we're going to use that to convert the 15.5 grams into moles. And our answer rounded to 3 significant figures is 0.258. Part B, silver chloride. Silver is a metal that is almost always has forms a 1 positive cation. So that's going to form a 1-to-1 formula unit. So AgCl is the chemical formula for silver chloride. Silver is 107.87. And then chlorine is 35.45. So the molar mass for silver chloride is 143.32. All right, let's convert 0.0688. Grams of silver chloride. Let's see what that molar mass was, 143.32. So our answer to 3 significant figures, 4.80 times 10 to the negative 4 moles of AgCl. Chlorine is a diatomic element, so it's Cl2. There's 2 of them. So the molar mass for chlorine is 70.9. Let's convert 79.3 grams to moles. So 1.12. Next we have potassium hydroxide. Do that down here. Potassium forms a 1 positive cation and hydroxide is a 1 negative anion. So they're going to cancel out or form 1-to-1 ratios of. There's your chemical formula for potassium hydroxide. So potassium has a mass of 39.10. We're going to add that to 16.00, and 1.008 is the mass of hydrogen. So the molar mass for potassium hydroxide is 56.11. All right, let's use that to convert 5.96 grams to moles. Our answer to three significant figures is 0.106. Calcium acetate. Calcium forms two positive cations, and acetate is a polyatomic ion with a 1 negative charge. So we're going to crisscross, and we're going to have 2-to-1 ratio acetate to calcium. So the chemical formula, or the formula unit for calcium acetate, is Ca parentheses C2H3O2 parentheses, and there's 2 of them. All right, we're going to have to distribute that 2 outside the parentheses to each of the elements inside the parentheses, because there's 2 acetates per calcium. Oh boy. All right, calcium is 40.08. There's 4 carbons, each with a mass of 12.011. There's 6 hydrogens, each with a mass of 1.008. And there's 4 oxygens, giving us 64.00. All right, let's get 2 decimals. 158.17. Oh, I forgot what we were doing. This is calcium acetate. All right, let's turn 937 grams into moles. Answer to 3 significant figures is 5.92 moles. All right, finally, F, calcium is just an element. It's a metal, so we just did that. So 40.08, that's the molar mass of calcium. So let's turn 0.800 grams of calcium into moles. So our answer to 3 sig figs is 0.019, 0.20. All right, let's use scientific notation here. 2.00 times 10 to the negative 2 moles calcium.